By now, you all should know that I kinda buy a drone and then a few weeks later I lost it in the bush, in the jungle, the woods. And I looked for it and I couldn't find it. Made a whole vlog about it. Stressing out about looking for the drone. So on this episode, today's episode, I'm gonna go back to Alabama and just take a look around, check the prices of drones and see if I can afford a new one. So I'm back here in Alabama. Look for drone again. Check for the prices. There are actually like one main DJI store, and then there are like other tech shop that I have to check. The one that I bought my first drone, and also the one that I bought my DJI Accent that I'm shooting on right now. So I'm gonna check both shop and see if I can get a drone. Since I have everything, like the remote control, the bag, battery, I'm just looking to buy the drone itself, just the machine, the drone thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for that. Hopefully they sell that. I check on the place where I bought the drone, and they actually sell like the drone piece itself, so the hardware. So I'm gonna go check that, but I actually gonna check the DJI store also, which I bought my Accent camera, the one that I'm shooting in right now. So I'm gonna check both shop, see what's the price, and then planning to get a new one. So I am back here at the top floor, the fourth floor of the mall. I'm starting from the top, going down. That's what she said. Anyway, the place that I bought the drone is over there. So I'm gonna go and check that place and see if they have just the drone. And then I'm gonna go down to the DJI place and check the prices. So out there it's 17,000 pesos. I have to go check the DJI. That one is like a shop. It's not like a DJI shop. It's just a tech shop. So hopefully the DJI Philippines shop, there's one here. They'll sell a bit cheaper than that. So let's go and check. Yeah. So that's the shop that I bought my drone. Right on that side. So. Anyway, it's really raining outside, like rain heavy. So I decided to come here and sit down. Actually, everyone have the same idea. So I'm just here at the side of this lake thingy. Just gonna have my lunch and then head back to Santa Rosa. I mean, Silang. Anywho, oh, this is nice. It's weirdly sitting like this. Anyway, I checked the drone thingy, and yeah, same price. I thought it would be different. They're all 117,000. Hey, what the hell? Oh Jesus, this is so good. Becoming a tradition now. Anyway, so the prices are the same. It's 17,200 So yeah, I thought like the DJI place will be a bit different from the shops like tech shops, but apparently they're all the same. So now it's a matter of where. Sorry. Now it's a matter of where to get it. So I was thinking I might go and buy it from the DJI shop, so I can get some discount. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that was the whole round today walkabout. Another daily vlog. I didn't come here to buy the drone. I actually just come here to see the prices and see different prices. So unfortunately the Mini 3 doesn't have like just Mini 3, like just the unit itself. It comes with a controller. I asked and they said it comes with a controller. So only the Mini 4K, the latest one, it just comes the unit itself. So that's a good thing, because I think I can, the hardware of both Mini 3 and Mini 4 are the same, like the battery. There's no extra battery, there's nothing, it's just the unit itself. So it's a bargain, it's a risk and reward thingy, so I'm just gonna see what's up. Anyway, let me just eat, enjoy, and then walk around and then go home. I think it's around 12 o'clock now. After a very, very tiring wait, I waited in the bus for like 2 hours or so. And after 2 hours, Luke actually came here, and Luke and the girlfriend. Anyway, after 2 hours of waiting, finally made it. It's actually raining all throughout the day, starting from Alabang driving here. Was raining all the way here. I thought it's gonna finish halfway, but no, it rains through. I was planning to go in and play some football afterwards, but I don't think the boys are playing. Actually gonna get the Mini 4K, not the Mini 3. I already have the accessories, so thank God. So yeah, wonderful walkabout, successful day. Anyway, I'm home now, so see you on the next one.